Today's date is June 8th, 06, approximately 13:35 hours. Day to day with Brad Bay on the freight office of a huge property. Have you seen anything with the vehicle lately? Have you ran over an animal with it? Yeah. He found blood on the running board. If you can check the property, or check to see how they got there. When I explained to Brad that I found blood on Tammy's vehicle, he was surprised. I'm not sure how it got on it. Is your wife's blood. How would that have got there?